Oh wait, we were supposed to do... We are 4 days behind on our 7-day look ahead. But that doesn't... No, we're not 4 days behind. Yeah, we are. We're 4 days behind. C4 Fabricators needs the flooring done before they're to do anything with the van.
Right. We need to do the lizard skin too.
Yeah, we need to do the lizard skin.
If you don't want to send that stuff back.
Oh god. We could start with windows because I really don't think they're gonna take a lot of work. This is the van wall. I'm gonna cut a hole in it. Our outer ring, which will look like this. Our inner ring, which will look like this, will look like this. They will pull together. They fit into each other. Now this distance here...
We need to put a little spacer, which is what the aluminum's for.
Yes.
Lay on down and I hit that light. Close my eyes on a quiet night. Half in a dream and a sleeping pill. Hear little drops on my windowsill. I know that's how. Smell of dancing rain. She moves my weather pane. She is the song, the calm that sea, the howling wind and the celerity.
Do you go in with power? And then do you go from, like, did you start here?
I actually found it most helpful to kind of start roughly on that rib.
The clouds rolling, the forest enough.
Can't believe how much the
Pick
van
me up.
flexes.
Comes in quick, no warning time. Lightning strikes from wild sky. Things I hope are waterproof, are this heat ain't through my roof. All I can do is wait for it to pass. Hold on and hope the last. She is the storm, the calm that sea, the howling wind and the celerity. And I see her clouds rolling with a force to knock me down, pick me up again.
We are installing the Tern Overland Arctic Tern windows in the van. They actually sent these to us at a little discount, and they're also giving you a discount, which I'll put on the screen at some point, and I'm going to show you what makes them very cool. We have two windows. They're both the 300 by 700 millimeter windows. They're kind of like bunk style. So we'll be installing them at the rear of the vehicles, and it will land in between basically the lower bunk and the upper bunk. And it should be a perfect fit. We picked something this size mostly because we didn't want something that really would attract someone to break in through the windows. They've just come out with the new flat style windows compared to their rounded original ones. I believe they're what you would call an awning style window because they open outwards, which we decided to go with because it could be opened when the rain is falling and hopefully not come in sideways. Maybe that makes sense. Another really cool thing is that they come with built-in screen assemblies, which means we don't have to go and buy new window covers or something, or try to make window covers that fit into them perfectly. The screen assembly has two halves. The one half is the bug screen and the other half is the blackout curtain. You can flip it and install it in either orientation, so that if you want to have the blackout screen coming from the bottom, then you can do that, or you can have it come from the top. But I believe we're going to be doing it from the bottom because that way you can peek out over top. You'll see, I'll show you. So far all we've done to prepare is cut out the ribs that are going to be in the way of the hole. Now it is time to turn these into a template, transfer that to the van, and then start cutting holes.
Once there was a little girl, open arms to the world, dancing circles round her room so free. Had some growing up to do, thought she knew a thing or two till she learned how much she couldn't be. Someone said not good enough, she found out how to be tough, not to wear her heart out on her sleeve. Life ain't for the faint of heart. Mama taught me to be smart. Dad said don't forget the mystery, and he said life's more question than answer, darling. Ain't nothing to prove. No need to be a better dancer, darling. Just let yourself be moved. I need to quit for the day, or else I will definitely make a stupid mistake.
Right.
The windows have been drawn for a second time. We had to get that sticky stuff off so that we could glue our frame pieces that will cinch the window frame around. It took me a long time to feel confident in what I had drawn on the wall that was meant to be a window. My main thing that I just hate about this is that there's nothing level in the van. The van isn't on a level surface, so how the heck am I meant to know that these are level? That just seems wildly concerning to me.
All we have to go off of is we know that that's a pretty good reference point. Oh yeah, that looks great. This piece I actually can't get all the way over.
One thing to note when you're using tubing like I am,
Oh wait,
you want to have the longer sections
we were supposed to do.
on the vertical.
I'll have to
How did
calculate.
I do that? How did I get that messed up again in my head?
Because you're blind and screen, the screws are going to end up going right here.
Well, that's fine. We have enough. We have enough, right?
I think that 2 feet extra. Oh, we should be fine.
Damn.
That's fine.
Chaperone, overthrown, bloody flowers and broken bones. All my nights are morning, and all my mornings have been deforming since you're gone. Hollywood misunderstood. All my nights are greasy, nothing. Oh, you gotta get while the getting is good. All my mornings tease.
Hey, that looks f***ing great.
It goes through so nicely. I'm so impressed. Am I yelling? I went a little bit on the outside on this one.
It'll just take off on you.
Feel adrenaline.
Now that most of the sheet metal is cut, it's actually rattling quite a bit and it's not making the cut look as nice. I just changed my blade too, so I'm hoping this will help.
Cool. Oh, that's nice.
Wendy, believe me, I know how it does go. Feel very far from your dreams. from your dreams coming true.
All right. Okay, yeah, go. Oh. Classic. You have to kind of split the difference. What we can do